Everyone, in this video we are going to study 50 more GRE vocabulary words. So let us start. First word is precocious. Precocious means characterized by early development or maturity, especially in mental aptitude, or premature. We can use it in a sentence like we find many examples of precocious children in madaris, in madrasas, learning Holy Quran at a time when 7 or 8 years old. So learning Holy Quran, doing hifaz is something that you expect of elder adults, but to do it in 7 or 8 years old, this is an example of precocious children. Fine. Next word is subsume. Subsume means include or absorb something in something else. For example, most of these phenomena can be subsumed under two broad categories. Fine. Next word is elucidate. Elucidate means make clearer or easy to understand, to clarify, to explain. Professor X will elucidate the underlying concepts. So the underlying concepts will be made clearer, will be clarified, will be explained by Professor X. Next word is juxtapose. Juxtapose means place side by side for contrast. Next word is haughty. Haughty means arrogant. The haughty manager didn't believe that any of his subordinates could ever have an insight as brilliant as his own. So the manager was very haughty, he was very arrogant, he believed that his ideas are the best. Tenacious means stubbornly unyielding. Fine, tenacious means stubbornly unyielding. Forlorn means hopelessness. So someone who is forlorn means he is hopeless. Circumvent means to cleverly find a way out of one's duties or obligations. In government offices, employees often circumvent responsibilities. Synonyms are avoid, evade, dodge, outwit. Treacherous. Treacherous means ghadar. Treacherous, disloyal, perfidious, faithless, deceitful, traitorous, two-faced. Traitorous is another word that GRE likes to use very much. Next word is travesty. Travesty means a false, absurd, or distorted representation of something. A misrepresentation, a distortion, a mockery, a parody. Next word is insidious. Insidious means proceeding in a gradual, subtle way, but with very harmful effects. Fine. Next word is heretic. Heretic means a person holding an opinion at odds with what is generally accepted. Fine. So having an odd opinion, having an opinion that is in contrast with the general opinion, we say that is a heretic opinion, that is a heretic person. Disaffected means to dissatisfied with people in authority. Disaffected means to be dissatisfied with people in authority. Apocryphal. Apocryphal means being of questionable authenticity, dubious, doubtful, debatable, fictitious. For example, the web is notorious for sandwiching apocryphal stories between actual news. So on the websites we do have actual stories, but there is a lot of fabricated statements in it also. So these stories are very much fabricated. So there is a bit of sandwiching of apocryphal stories and the actual news. Other example is an apocryphal story about former president. Fine. We can use another example which is related to our current scenario. The news that China deliberately biologically invented coronavirus is apocryphal. There is no evidence that China deliberately biologically invented coronavirus. So this statement is apocryphal. Fine. Exalt means to praise or glorify, to venerate. Extreme praise, to accolade. Exalt means praise, glorify. Exonerate means to declare free of blame, to vindicate, to exculpate, to acquit, to absolve. So all these are synonyms of exonerate, and all these are very important as far as the GRE is concerned. There is L there, ABSOLVE. Fine. Other word is implacable. Implacable means it is derived from placate, or So it is derived from placate. Implacable means incapable of being placate, incapable of being less angry or hostile. So incapable of being mollified. Fine, that is implacable. Expound means add details or explanation. Clarify the meaning, state in depth. So expound means to add details or explanation. Blatant means of a behavior done openly or unshamedly. Fine, or something that is completely obvious. Myopic means lacking foresight or imagination. For example, the company ultimately went out of business because the myopic managers couldn't predict the changes in the industry. The narrow-minded managers, the narrow-sighted managers couldn't predict the changes in the industry. So they were not up to the mark with the modern world, and that's why the company ultimately went out of business. So the managers were myopic. Fine. They lack the foresight. Ignoble means dishonorable. Ingratiate means to bring oneself into favor with someone by flattering or trying to please him. Fine. So if you have started a new job, you want to ingratiate yourself with your boss. Fine. You want to bring yourself into favor with your boss. Fine. By flattering or trying to please him. So you try to ingratiate yourself with the boss. Largest means extreme generosity. Fine. Incorrigible means of a person or behavior not able to be changed or reformed. So incorrigible means not able to be changed or reformed. I often tell my best friend that you are incorrigible as far as the mischiefs are concerned, as far as the naughtiness of his is concerned. So he is incorrigible. He will never give up certain habits. Some habits are so entrenched in him that he will never change. Those habits will never change. Espouse, next word is espouse. Espouse means embrace, take up, proponent, advocate. Opposite is reject, oppose. Fine. So espouse means to embrace, to take up, a proponent, or to advocate. Unscrupulous means without scruples or principles. So unscrupulous behavior is a very bad behavior, without principled behavior. Exacting means demanding, challenging. Exacting work, exacting supervisor who wants you to do a lot of work. Exacting boss who wants you to do a lot of work. Fine. So exacting means demanding or challenging. Exacting work, exacting job, etc., etc. Bumbling means acting in a confused or ineffectual way. Incompetent. Pedantic means concerned with minor details or scrupulous. Fine. Pedantic means concerned with minor details or scrupulous. Contingent has got two meanings. One is dependent. Fine. The other is gathering of group. Fine. Jubilant means to be very happy. To be very happy on success. I was very jubilant after I got a lecturership in a government university. A lecturership post in a government university. So I was jubilant. So it means to become very happy, especially on success. Immutable means that cannot be changed. Fine. Immutable means that cannot be changed. For example, in Python we say that tuples are immutable. So tuples cannot be changed. Tuples are a kind of list. Lists are mutable. Lists can be changed, but tuples are immutable. Tuples cannot be changed. Staunch means firm supporter. Fine. Staunch actually means firm. So staunch supporter means firm supporter. For example, staunch supporters of Imran Khan's PTI government. Fine. Supplant means take the place of. Supplant means to take the place of, to replace. Next word is tantamount. Tantamount means being essentially equal to something. For example, the silence response to marriage proposal was tantamount to no. So there was a guy who proposed some lady and her response was silent. Her response was silent. It means that her response was in negative. Fine. That's why we say that the silence response to marriage proposal was tantamount to no. Avaricious means very greedy. Very greedy. For example, Pakistani politicians are epitome of avariciousness. Fine. So they are a perfect, epitome means perfect example. So they are the perfect examples of avariciousness. They have a lot of money in the Swiss banks. They have been involved in money in laundering cases and other cases. So our politicians are very avaricious. Fine. Languid means sluggish, lethargic, not inclined towards physical activity. Fine. Laziness, lazy. Rudimentary means early stages of development. Fine. Eminent means famous, standing above others in quality or position. Do not confuse it with this I, eminent, which means I, which starts with I. The one which starts with I means about to happen, and this E means, the one which starts with E means that is famous. Next word is ameliorate. Ameliorate means to improve. Next is ephemeral. Ephemeral. Ephemeral means short-lived, transitory. That is only valid for short time. So it's ephemeral. Perpetual is the opposite of ephemeral, which means permanent, which means long, very long time, which means everlasting. Fine. Magnanimous means noble and generous. Confound means confuse one thing with another. Children often confound apple with orange, so they cannot differentiate between apple and orange. So confound means confuse one thing with another. Ostentatious. Ostentatious means to have a flamboyant display intended to attract notice and impress others. So ostentatious is intended to attract notice and impress others. Adamant means refusing to change one's mind. To be very stubborn. Stubborn is the synonym of adamant. Adamant means refusing to change one's mind. Fine. Soporific means sleep introducing. Maths lectures are always soporific. They always introduce sleep. Fine, they are very boring and they introduce sleep. So they are soporific. Eradicate means to completely destroy. Fine, to completely destroy. Implausible means not believable. Something that is not true is implausible. Something that cannot be believed. Thank you.